We're gonna make it quick. This is banana peppers. I don't like spicy, and I have here the spring rolls, and I have this cream cheese, and I have 5 kind of spices, including salt, pepper, and then onion, garlic powder. So this is it. Let's just have to mix this one, cut this one, remove the seeds, and wrap it in here. And this is good for appetizer. Thank you. And just remove the seeds. So, this is it na. Wala na siyang seeds. Tinanggalan ko siya ng seeds. Kahit magkakahiwalayan, mamaya pagbalot siya, magkasundo sila. Magiging together. May forever sila makaya. So, ito na yung cream cheese. Half of it. I put half only. And then we will put the spices. Yeah. And then just mix it. Just mix it. This is it. The taste is so perfect. I just love this one. I just love this one. This one. This is spices. 5 spices ingredient in your food. I also put this in the chicken. So, this is it. So, we're gonna start first filling. Filling on muna tayo. Mag-filling on muna tayo. Wait. Diba? This is it. Yeah. And then later on, we will wrap it. Kailangan natin medyo punuin. Sino ang iibigin ko? Ikaw ba na pangarap ko? O siya ba ang kumakatok? At ito na lang. Ito lang ang aking nabalot dahil nakulangan ako sa cream cheese. Anytime I can make it. We will wrap it later. Kasi magandang balutin ang diretso ang sili. Tingnan niyo yan. Oh. Yan. Unat na unat. Oh. Diba? Maganda. Na ready for frying later ang kanilang dinner appetizer for today. Ayan.
Sa totoo lang, nakalimutan ko talagang kunin ng video ng luto na. So ayan, buti may natira pang 3. Tingnan nyo na kinagat ko. Medyo makunat na kasi 3 oras na nakalipas.